Hey, 3D printing. It's no longer just amateur gadget lovers making Star Wars figurines in their garage, right? It's the technology already powering the next industrial revolution. It has opened up an exciting investment opportunity that could push even an average retirement account into the $1 million territory this year. And if you click here right now, investment legend Roger Scott will share his number one stock for cashing in on the 3D printing revolution and how it could 10 times your money this year. Now, previously, really, you could only use 3D printing mold to plastic, making it kind of a bit of a novelty technology. But now that we can 3D print everything from cement and metals to organic material, 3D printing is being used to construct everything from houses to hearts using actual human tissues. And when you click here, Roger Scott will reveal his number one 3D printing stock for 2021. A company taking the technology to a new world first that has huge implications and staggering profit potential. Hey, listen, when global giants like Boeing and Heineken and Ford are investing billions of dollars into 3D printing, you know this technology has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing. Hey, even the Pentagon is in on this. And 3D printing is able to shave more time off the manufacturing process than anything that has come before it. And we're talking about building a rocket or a house in something that usually takes months to do. And it's on pace to be one of the most disruptive technologies the manufacturing world has seen since the inception of Henry Ford's assembly line. Roger's number one 3D printing stock is at the forefront of this disruption. And if you click here right now, he will show you why he believes this up-and-coming company could easily 10 times your money this year. Partly because their customers include huge names like Siemens and Porsche and Microsoft, and partly because 46 of Wall Street's top firms have just dumped millions of dollars into this tiny company, including BlackRock, Microsoft, Porsche, and Goldman Sachs, who just bet millions on this future Wall Street favorite. But mostly because their innovative approach to 3D printing is fueling the whole revolution. And pretty soon, every company wanting to use 3D printing in their manufacturing is going to need this technology that this unknown company is sitting on. Now, crucially, they hold a lot of patents too, so almost no matter what happens, shareholders in this company will cash in as 3D printing continues to grow. And if you click here, you could be one of them. Now listen, the numbers are already solid and will only continue to grow. And on top of that, here's the most exciting thing. They aren't even publicly traded yet. They're about to go public very soon, though. Now, normally you wouldn't be able to get in on the stock before they do. You'd have to wait until after the IPO, right? But letting the big guys pile in, as they already are, and watch them take home the big win, whoa. Fortunately, Roger has found a back door for you, a way for you to get in before this takes off and before it becomes the global manufacturing giant it's set to become. And if you click here right now, Roger will show you how to join the likes of BlackRock and Goldman Sachs to invest in this stock before it becomes a household name. Early is better, right? And how you can tap into the incredible opportunity this company presents to potentially 10 times your money and then add a few zeros to your retirement account this year. Imagine what you could do with this kind of money. Hey, you could retire on the spot and spend your time painting your own 3D printed action figure. Jokes aside, you could pay off your mortgage and live a life of complete financial freedom. All because you were in the right place at the right time. Hey, the time is right now, and it starts with you clicking here to discover Roger's number one 3D printing stock today.